Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your region on Stumble Guys. If you are looking for a way to change your server region on Stumble Guys, then here is how you can do it. Open your Stumble Guys application on your device and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. From the main homepage, go to the settings button at the top right hand corner and tap on it. This will then open up the settings menu. Scroll all the way down until you see the server region option and then tap on the change button right next to server region. From here, you can select some of the recommended servers available on the screen. Go ahead and tap on one of the server you'd want to change to, and that is how you'll be able to change region on Stumble Guys. Changing your server is especially useful when attempting to join a party with friends or family that are in a different server regions. So that is how you can easily change your region on Stumble Guys with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.